meantime talk about on the certain positive aspect seems to be now reflecting of the recent statement made by President Trump at a possibility of ending the war, because the markets this time has now opened in the green. A stark change from yesterday, from Monday rather, what we were looking at the markets and the bloodbath that has now continued over the spate of the last 4 weeks at least. But it seems that the Sensex has now taken up this news in a positive way. Sensex has now jumped to nearly 1,800 points and Nifty topping nearly 22,900. Hina, good morning, as President Trump signals end to the Iran war.
Well, absolutely. You know, what we are seeing right now is a good opening on the Wall Street. Sensex, as we speak, is up about 1,800 odd points. It's currently trading at 73,777. If you look at Nifty right now, even Nifty is seeing a gain of about 2.46%. 548-point gain is what we are seeing at this point in time. And what is really fueling this sentiment? One of the factors, of course, is how there has been a slight drop in the Brent crude prices. After touching, $119 per barrel, it's down to about $105 per barrel. So that's one positive news. Second, the kind of relief rally that we saw in Wall Street, yesterday. So that is also adding some kind of optimism. Plus, of course, there's going to be a big announcement that Donald Trump is going to be making in less than 24 hours from now. Some experts feel that maybe there could be signs of either de-escalation or a ceasefire or something. We don't know what he's going to say. But overall, there is a bit of hope that maybe de-escalation could be on the cards, given the kind of statements we've got from Pete Hegseth yesterday. He also said that the next few days are going to be decisive. Then we got this statement from the White House press secretary that a statement is going to be made by U.S. President Donald Trump. So, in a way, markets are taking a breather today, and the kind of bloodbath we saw over the last few sessions, that seems to be getting reversed.
All right. Not just that, we're looking at Asian markets as well that have been trading firmly higher, as far as South Korea, Japan and China seems to be also trading at a positive front. Thank you very much, Hina, for joining us here on the broadcast. That's in the